Hey, I'm Marty from Spring Ahead Media Solutions. Today I'm going to show you 3 super simple ways to organize your Mailchimp account so things run a little smoother in there. These are really quick tips that'll just make things a little bit easier on you. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'm sure I will be putting out many more videos with tips like this. So let's start off with organizing your Content Studio. Content Studio is where all of your files live. If you have images in here that you're going to be using repeatedly, you don't want to have to scroll through all of them, so you're going to create a folder. Logos is the biggest one that we put in folders here. So you're going to make a folder, click on your logos, move to the logos folder. Now don't overwork this process. You have plenty of things in here that you will never need again. They don't need to be in a folder. Just use those folders for things that you'll be using repeatedly. Next up, we're heading over to the audience. If you've been doing a lot of importing into your audience, when you scroll to the right, you may have a lot of columns here. And what we're going to do is we're going to tidy this up. Under this toggles column button, we can uncheck all the ones that we don't want to see here. They still exist, everything's still there, but it just tightens up the look of this so we don't have to scroll so much. You know what fields you need to see and which ones you don't. Now let's head over to campaigns. Now I don't know if this is a tip as much as just a reminder, but when you are choosing how you name your campaigns, this is totally internal. Do it in a way that makes sense and makes them searchable. Put something in that title that will make it easy to find later. Also, if you run custom reports, you can actually use a search field for those campaign names and only run a report on certain campaigns. Well, there we go. Those were my quick ones. I hope that you found that helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, sign up for my email list about upcoming webinars, and I'll see you around.